Okay, look at this old cutting board I had. This is disgusting. This food is like, it's gross. So here's the new and improved cutting board. So look at the beveled edges all the way around here. I put a little bit of juice on here and you can see that it will just kind of run into the beveled little wells or dips right here, which is super nice and convenient. Also, it has a little lip right here so that if there is a lot of juice, let's say you're cutting watermelon, pineapple, I don't know, really, or whatever is embedded in here. This is juicy type items like, or fruits or veggies that, typically fruits I would say, that are really juicy and they always run off. They create a whole mess all around here. For instance, this board, it has no lip, no nothing. Here's another board, same thing. It's very thin. There is no lip, nothing for the juices to run into. This has that, okay? So I love the fact that this has that. It goes here. And then if you probably, I feel like you do have a lot of juice or drainage from whatever you're doing, there's another, let me show you. Right here, there is another little ledge or lip. So very convenient. This side, you're gonna cut fruits, veggies, cheeses, everything like that on. I have had this about a month and I absolutely love it. It's been easy to clean, easy to work with. A sickness or a virus waiting to happen. No complaints there. This will come with this little cover here on the top. You can just pop that off and you get a nice stainless steel handle here that's in really well. And then you can hang this up or you can put this or slide it into a spot wherever you want to use it and just slide it and pull it out. But I have mine hanging up so that it's convenient. It's easy to use. Flip this over and here is, you can scrub it, you can wash it, try to get your antimicrobial stainless steel backing. This is good for your meats and your raw fish and anything like that. Absolutely love, 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 love this. And I love the fact that you can just flip it over and you can do one and then you can do the other. So when I cut on this board, even just doing this, I can feel a difference and it's just running across the board. There's no texture on this. Get it out, but at the end of the day, this base, whereas this one has that little texture. You see that little texture here? That's actually really helpful and really nice to cut with it. If you have never had one like that, I definitely think it's worth checking out because I feel like a big difference doing this versus, and you can even hear it, whereas this is just sliding. This is clean and this is still in. So anyways, I definitely love this one. I'm happy they sent it to me to review because it has been a fabulous addition here. So then when you're cutting food on this, it could potentially be going into the food that you're cutting.